9:45, time now to put your imagining caps on and imagine it with the chief scientist from the Imagination Station, Carl Nelson, and we've got blue hands, but the rest of us, we're all the right color this morning. Good morning to you.
Went to your hands now. Well, you're definitely going to need your safety glasses for this one as well.
Oh boy.
I thought we'd talk about plastics today.
Okay.
Okay, and in particular, polystyrene or styrofoam.
Gotcha.
So, Tony, if you could just uncork this bottle of liquid and very carefully pour the liquid into that top coffee cup.
When you say carefully, I know this is not just water.
Right, just go ahead and pour it in. Just,
Okay.
just get it in there. We'll start off with
I
this.
hear a little bubbling crude there. Hey, whoa,
Okay,
hey, oh my. Oh, it eats right through it.
It eats right through it. So the whole thing just starts
What was in that beaker?
So what was in there was acetone.
Ah.
Okay, it's an organic solvent. And what happens is, since the styrofoam is polystyrene that's been whipped with lots of air, the acetone will actually break apart the bonds of the polymer, and you can actually release all that air that was trapped inside. Okay?
That's cool.
So coffee cups, you know, because they have that air whipped inside there, they're great insulators.
Sure.
You put the hot liquid inside, your hand doesn't get burned because they can be up to 98% air.
Oh, wow.
Which is, it's kind of hard to wrap your head around maybe what is 90% air, 98% air. So here's some styrofoam. Let's go ahead and just drop that right down into that
Slowly,
beaker.
we're going to watch the styrofoam get devoured,
Right.
is what you're saying.
Now, that's part of the problem with styrofoam. Yeah, just keep pushing it right down in there. That's part of the problem with styrofoam in terms of recycling, in that it has so much air whipped into it, and you can see as you're pushing that down in there, you just get like a little bit of what turns out to be a styrene polymer, polystyrene residue on the top.
It gives off a funky odor, too.
It does. You're releasing the air that's trapped inside those little bubbles inside the styrofoam. But what's amazing is you can just keep pushing more and more and more of this into there, all because it's whipped up so much. And of course, that's a problem with recycling, I was saying, is because most curbside recyclers don't want to pick up styrofoam, even though it is recyclable.
Sure.
There is a place locally, if you check out the Lucas County website, you can find out where to take your styrofoam that you get in all your packaging and whatnot. So you can recycle it, but just not on the curbside stuff.
I just can't believe it. It's like a magic trick.
It just keeps going and going and going.
There's no hole underneath the table, folks.
There's nothing there. And all you're doing is you're just breaking apart the bonds of the polymer so that it releases the air that's whipped inside. Now, polystyrene can be used for other stuff. Disposable razors, CD cases, these plastic glasses. It's all the same stuff, but styrofoam has been whipped with air. And so as I was playing with this, I thought, this might provide an opportunity for a really cool chemistry demonstration. I'm thinking kids going back to school, right? Thinking about safety, and we're being safe, right? We've got our safety glasses on.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home, but we have a little, this is Carol, for lack of a better name here.
Oh, Carol, you're about to get hosed.
Carol, you know, science teachers always have a hard time with students. They want to wear their safety goggles as a fashion statement on the top of their head. They don't want to wear them. I thought this would be really cool as a memorable moment in your chemistry class as to why you should wear protection. Right, so we're just going to gently sprinkle Carol with a little acetone.
Sprinkle? Should I hit the face here?
Just go ahead and hit the top of the head.
Oh, I got her eye. Sorry about that.
That's okay. So again, all we're doing, it's just, it's kind of goofy, it's kind of fun.
But it's like Reanimator.
It is.
Man.
But imagine now, you got a classroom of kids, and you're talking about safety and why it's important to wear your safety gear. This is going to leave a memory. And it's just kind of cool as well, right? I mean,
friends don't let your friends melt your face. All right.
That's right.
Carl
Fun
Nelson,
with styrofoam. Always
excellent to have your imagination with us here. Here are the hours for the Imagination Station downtown. And please, once again, don't try this at home. We're going to turn it now over to Dave Holmes with Football Friday Wrap.